Greetings from IIM Ahmedabad. My name is Aditya Moses and I'm one of the co-coordinators of the program called Strategic Market Focused Management. This program is going to be offered in February 2025 in Dubai. First, who should attend this program? This program is ideal for all management professionals, especially those who have been siloed in certain functions and want to grow their expertise and competence as a general management professional. This program is also for leaders who need to make strategic decisions on an everyday basis. Our pedagogy of simulations and case studies will help you build this strategic decision-making competence. More importantly, the entire program is focused on trying to make the organization more customer-oriented, which I believe will be helpful for all organizations across domains. We have offered this program across multiple domains, such as banking and finance, infrastructure, automobile, and also oil and natural gas. And we believe that those who have attended this program have benefited greatly from it. We look forward to meeting you in February in Dubai. All the best.